JiaHeJi Furnishing is a custom furniture factory from China. Can provide custom furniture for projects such as hotels, restaurants, villas, etc., including sofas, dining tables, dining chairs, cabinets, doors and wood finishes, etc., and whatever furniture you want. Can complete the entire process from design to production and delivery. Maximizing customer satisfaction is our primary goal. We show you our full potential in the form of a showroom. With a total area of 5,000 square meters, in this showroom, the scene truly restores the effect of the scene, as well as our craftsmanship and materials. You can see what else we can do for you. When we discuss your project, we first focus on what furniture you are looking for, what style and size, what type of material and color. And then we started to incorporate these factors into the final design. We have more fabrics and a variety of stones, glass, hardware, wood, providing you with a variety of options so that you can customize our design to your preferences. Work with us and let our design expertise help you choose the right furniture. We provide free 3D rendering services for all custom designs of our customers. This helps us work with you to finalize the designs, materials, and dimensions, and ensure the final product's aesthetics and proportions are to your liking. We use 3D design and CAD design in our designs, which helps us reach a consensus with you and ensure the product meets your requirements before assembly. Follow us to learn more.